Question 5a, part 1. Simplify. A times A times A times A. When you multiply lots and lots of bases together, you add their powers. So we have 4 ones being added together there, which will give us an A to the power of 4. Part 2. 5a times 6b. When we're multiplying stuff together, either it will mix together like it did in the first one. Numbers will mix with numbers, and similar letters, sorry, not similar letters, identical letters will mix to change powers. In this case, however, the A's and B's are not going to mix, so we'll have an A times B, or an AB in our answer. But the 5 times 6 can mix. 5 times 6 gives us 30, so we get 30AB. Part 3, we have q to the power of 8 divided by q to the power of 2. When you divide this bases that are the same, you subtract their powers. So we're going to end up with q to the power of 8 minus 2, which will give us q to the power of 6. Part B, solve 5 minus 2y equals 12. Linear equation, we're going to want to get our letter by itself, but to begin with, we don't really want it to be negative. So we add 2y to both sides in order to turn that positive. Now there's more than one way of doing this, but this is the way that I would recommend to avoid negatives, or at least avoid negatives in the process. You could still end up with negatives in your answer. So we have 5 equals 12 plus 2y. Now I'm going to get y by itself. Take away 12 from both sides, and then after that I'm going to be dividing by 2 to get rid of the 2 that's stuck to the y. So the take away 12 bit gives us a minus 7, is 2y, and then dividing both sides by 2 we get y is minus 3.5. Part C, v equals w squared minus 2w. Work out the value of v when w equals 6. So we substitute 6 in place for w, which will give us the following. 6 squared minus 2 times 6, and then we simplify that. That'll give us 36, take away 12, it will become 24. 24 is our answer. Done.